Welcome back, Bio Warriors. In today's episode, we dive into the fascinating world of Monera, the simplest yet one of the most dominant groups of organisms on Earth. These tiny life forms may be microscopic, but they have shaped the planet's history, from producing oxygen in ancient times to contributing to biotechnology today. In this episode, we will explore their cell structure, modes of nutrition, reproduction methods, and real-life examples like bacteria, Cyanobacteria and Archaea. Along the way, we will connect everything to NEET relevance so you not only understand the concept but also learn how to ace related questions. Let's begin our journey into the kingdom of Monera. The kingdom Monera represents the oldest known life forms on our planet, existing for more than 3.5 billion years. These organisms are usually microscopic and unicellular with a simple prokaryotic cell structure, meaning they lack a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. They are incredibly versatile and found in every imaginable environment, from ordinary soil and water to extreme habitats like boiling hot springs, salty lakes, and deep ocean vents. Monera includes fascinating groups such as bacteria, Cyanobacteria, and Archaea, each playing a vital role in Earth's ecosystems and human life. Monerans are prokaryotic cells, which means they lack a true nucleus, and their genetic material is found in a region called the nucleoid. Their cell wall is usually made of peptidoglycan in bacteria, providing shape and protection. The cell membrane regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell, and small 70S ribosomes are present for protein synthesis. Some monerans have flagella to help them move, and many possess a capsule for extra protection. These cells are incredibly tiny, ranging from 1 to 10 micrometers in size, yet they are remarkably efficient and adaptable to different environments. Monerans show incredible diversity in how they obtain their food. Some are autotrophic, meaning they make their own food. Photoautotrophs like Cyanobacteria use sunlight for photosynthesis, while chemoautotrophs such as nitrifying bacteria get their energy from chemical reactions. Others are heterotrophic, relying on other organisms for nutrition. Saprotrophic feed on dead organic matter. Parasites live in or on a host, causing harm, and symbionts form relationships that benefit both partners. This nutritional diversity allows monerans to survive in nearly every environment on Earth. Monerans primarily reproduce asexually through a process called binary fission, where one cell simply divides into two identical daughter cells. However, they also have ways to increase genetic variation. Conjugation allows DNA transfer from one bacterium to another through a pilus. Transformation occurs when bacteria absorb genetic material from their surroundings. Transduction happens when viruses called bacteriophages transfer DNA between bacterial cells. Thanks to these methods and their rapid cell division, monerans can adapt quickly to changing environments. Examples of monerans include bacteria such as Escherichia coli, found in the intestines of humans and animals. Cyanobacteria like Anabina and Nostoc that carry out photosynthesis and release oxygen, and Archaea such as Halobacterium. And methanogens that survive in extreme environments like salt flats and hot springs. These organisms live in soil, water, air, and even inside other living beings. They play crucial roles in ecosystems, including nitrogen fixation, decomposition, and oxygen production, making them essential to life on Earth. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about Monera. These are prokaryotic unicellular organisms with no true nucleus and naked circular DNA. Most have a peptidoglycan cell wall except Mycoplasma, which lacks a cell wall entirely. Their ribosomes are 70S type. They exhibit various modes of nutrition, including photoautotrophy, chemoautotrophy, saprophytism, and parasitism. Reproduction is mainly by binary fission, with genetic variation introduced through transformation, transduction, and conjugation. Common examples include E. coli, Cyanobacteria, Mycoplasma, and Archaebacteria. For NEET, Monera is a high-yield topic with 1 to 2 questions almost every year covering prokaryotic cell structure, nutrition methods, reproduction by binary fission and examples like Cyanobacteria and extremophiles. Now, here's your challenge question. Which group of Monera contains organisms that produce methane gas as a metabolic byproduct? Is it option A Cyanobacteria, option B Archaea, option C Eubacteria or option D Actinomycetes? Comment your answers or send them on WhatsApp or Telegram to get a special shout-out for the correct answer. Fantastic job, Bio Warriors! Today you learned the important features of Monera from their prokaryotic cell structure to their different modes of nutrition, reproduction, and examples. This is a high-scoring NEET topic with 1 to 2 questions almost every year. In our next episode, we will explore the classification of Monera, looking at the diversity from bacteria to Cyanobacteria to Archaea and how scientists organize these microscopic powerhouses. Check the description and cards above for our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs playlists and our biology podcast for your daily quick revision.